Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Audi A7. Audi prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power front seats, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and remote keyless entry. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.